Today I'll be looking at the Canon T6i in low light scenarios. Now before I get started, you do need to know that I'll be using an EFS 18-55 kit lens. This is a lens that most people will be using when they first get their cameras anyways, but what you'll notice is that when I'm looking at very dark areas, the camera does struggle a little bit to focus. So if you get some better lens, not the kit lens, you'll get better performance, but I'm just using these because this is what most people will use anyway. But before we get started, let's go ahead and have a look at the microphone on the camera. I'll be doing a test from the front and the back, and then we'll get to the video. This is me doing an audio test from the back. And this is an audio test from the front. Thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.